I got this super awesome UV resin starter kit from Let's Resin. It had just a ton of fun goodies in here to make earrings, necklaces, keychains, and just so much more. It came with these little necklace bezels, which I think we're going to play with today. And it came with a very large bottle of UV resin and this super cute foldable UV lamp, which I just loved so much that it could fold and also had the lights on the side to ensure proper cure. Now cut off a piece of the resin tape big enough to go behind your bezel. Sticky side up, we're just going to place that bezel right on the top. Then we're going to take some of our UV resin, put them in a couple little mixing bowls. I am using 2 of the mica powders that were included. This one looks kind of like a rosy gold and the other one is a blue. Now I'm just going to alternate in stripes, just clear resin, and then a stripe of the pink, and then a stripe of the blue, all the way down until your bezel is full. Before you stick this in your light, take something very thin. I use a toothpick, and I'm just going to drag down and then up and then down and then up, and it will leave this really cool kind of zigzag design. Once you have the design how you like it, just go ahead and slide that underneath your light until it's fully cured. I also like to stick my little silicone stir sticks under there so the UV resin dries and you can just pick it off. Once that has cured, I placed some transparent glitter flakes on there. They're really hard to see here as I place them. And then I also took some of those gold foiled stickers, and I just found all of the little 4-point stars and placed those on as well. It's also hard to see here, especially because my head is in the way, but hold tight and I'll show you what it looks like in the light when this is all finished. Once you get all your little stars placed where you would like them, we're going to go back on top with some clear UV resin, filling that bezel up all the way until it is slightly raised. We call this like a domed look, where it creates a slight raised effect. It just makes it look really finished beautifully and professionally. Once you get that all filled in, go ahead and pop any bubbles with a small torch and place it under your UV lamp until fully cured. Now that that piece has cured, you can remove that resin tape. This UV resin dried super hard to the touch. It was not sticky or tacky at all. It has an amazing shine with little to no smell. There you go. You can now see our cute little stars we added. Now we are going to grab a jump ring and one of those necklace cords. We're going to add the jump ring through the hoop on the bezel by twisting the jump ring apart and not pulling it, putting it through the hole and then onto the cord and then twisting it closed. Here is our necklace all finished. This was such a fun kit to play with. You could really get creative with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and look for me on all other social media platforms.